We're doing, guys. Just got to Holmeswood Koi. Gonna sort that dodgy tap out on the back of my box. You know what it's like. It's well overdue. But yeah, I'm not really gonna do a shop tour. Head over to my boy's Koi at Danny at my boy's Koi. He's done a full review on it, so I'll just show you the ponds and the fish and what's got going on. Absolute stunning pond, this. All Japanese Koi as well. Honestly, if you live by or you just fancy a trip out, Holmeswood Koi, come and have a look. This is the Koi house, all new stock in as well. Some beauties in there. Oh, look at them goskies though. Honestly, that's what I want this year. I'm looking at getting a gosky. Every time I look at them, they're amazing. It's making me want one even more and more. Ah, pond full of Hiyatsuris. Full of them, stunners. Absolute stunning them. Some beasts in there. Looks like they're on a PP treatment. Some beasts. Some absolute stunners. Even got a nice garden centre as well. Yeah, if you live by or you just fancy a day out, just come and have a look. Honestly, absolute amazing place. It's well set out. Stunning. So I'm back home now. Yeah, stunning place that. I mean, none of his wet goods will be on sale till probably back end of April, but he's got a variety of dry goods. Just go and have a look. Honestly, amazing place. So let's get on with fixing this tap. Honestly, it's been a long time coming. It's never been ideal, this, but you know, it's something you don't think about when you, well, I didn't think about anyway. I mean, it'd be so easy to just go and put state of that. Probably going to ruin me pond that. It'd be so easy. I could just go and upgrade, but the thing is, this filter's working, and it's budgets, money. You know what it's like. We're all struggling at the moment, aren't we? So yeah, it's working. So why try and fix something that ain't broke at the moment? So hopefully all this will just go together nicely. At least it's another job out of the way, isn't it? There's always bloody something to do with this pan. Always rambling on, something to do. Would you look at that? One job done, my life made easier. Life made simpler for me. Switch it off here. Connect this hose, turn the tap, and out we go. Out through there, Loving life, huh? If only I'd think of these things when I was first building the pond there. But no, you never do. You only realise halfway through, but at least I'm going to save my pond from falling apart. It saves me a lot of hassle as well. Right guys, that's another job out of the way. Hope you enjoyed the Holmeswood koi. Go over to Danny at My Boys Koi Liverpool for a full review. He's done a full review on it. So yeah, thanks a lot. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.